bit of a development, headed south. Anytime I head south toward the coast, I'm always looking on Marketplace. Obviously not while I'm driving, but I always have a kind of a wish list on my Marketplace, and I've been watching a engine bracket over in Waveland, Mississippi, and the gentleman and I came together on a price, and so I'm on detour about 2 hours west over to Waveland, Mississippi, and pick up an engine bracket, and I'm going to take you with me. Got about a 2 hour and 27-minute drive over to Waveland, Mississippi. Going to meet this guy at the Waveland, Mississippi Walmart. Y'all come on and let's go. One more part to the 222. One more part to the 222. All right, crew, we're on the Mobile Kennesaw Delta, otherwise known as the Amazon of the South. It's a long bridge crossing the Mobile River, the Alabama River. Lots of little streams and creeks come through here. This place is known for black bears and all kinds of swampy creatures. It's an interesting place. Crossing this long bridge into Mobile County, I want to give a shout out to my buddy Nick Davis over on his channel Sons of the Tallapoosa. He's been putting out some good stuff lately. If you're interested in kayak fishing, river fishing, some product reviews related to river fishing, you need to check him out. He actually went up to North Georgia recently, did a little brown trout fishing with some spinning gear, caught some brown trout, did a little video on showing how to catch, clean, and cook brown trout. Check him out. Coming up on what's known as the I guess you'd say the titty bridges. A little inappropriate to put on the channel, but that's what people know them as. I'll give you a shot at them right here and you can use your imagination. Top of this bridge is probably one of the most beautiful views of South Alabama. I'll try to give you all a panoramic view of it real quick as I go across. I always enjoy looking at other people's rigs as I go by. It's a heavy-duty twin-engine aluminum boat. It's kind of unusual down in the southeast. Well, crew, we finally made it. We're in Waveland, Mississippi. I've never been here before. It's close to Bay St. Louis. Seems like a nice little community here. I'm gonna meet with a guy named Shane here to take a look at this bracket. Hopefully it's what we want. Alright. So what's going on, crew? This is my boy Shane right here. Yeah. He just hooked me up on this bracket. So we'll get it set up on the Aquasport 222. Y'all stay tuned.
Oh yeah, can't wait to see it.
All right.
All right,